Second PUC Maths chapter 3rd matrices exercise number is 3.1. Fifth one, construct a 3 into 4 matrix whose elements are given by, first one is Aij is equal to 1 by 2 in bracket minus 3i plus j in bracket. Second one is this. First we solve this. Okay, first one solution. In general, 3 into 4 matrix, 3 into 4 matrix is given by A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A14. We take 3 into 4 means 3 rows and 4 columns. Then A21, A22, A23, A24 and A31, A32, A33 and A34, like this. And now we take this formula. Aij is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 3i plus j. That is, I means rows. These are rows. One row, second row, third row. Means one row, second row, third row are there. J means columns. Columns are one column, second column, third column and fourth columns, like this. First we take this A11. Therefore A11 is equal to A11. Here this 1 by 2 minus 3 into I means 11 row, first row plus 11 is first column, like this. Okay, then 1 by 2 into minus 3 plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 2, and then 11 is equal to 1 2s are 1 2s are. Then this is minus 1. And then A12 we take A12, this A12. This A12 we take 1 by 2 into this formula is 3 into A12 is first row plus second column is equal to 1 by 2 into 3 plus 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into 3 plus 2 is 5. Then A12 is 5 by 2. And then A12 is here and A13 is equal to A13 is, first we write here as A is 11, A12, A13, A14 and then A21, A22, A23, A24 and then A31, A32, A33 and then A34. This is we take, and then the formula is Aij is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 3I plus j. Then this A13 we take as 1 by 2 into minus 3. A13 is first row plus third column. So 1 by 2 into minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 into 0. Then A13 is equal to 0. And then A14 we take. A14 1 by 2 into minus 3 into A14 is first row plus fourth column. Then 1 by 2 into minus 3 plus 4 is equal to 1 by 2 into 1. Then A14 is 1 by 2. And then A21 is equal to half into minus 3 into, this is second row plus first column, is equal to half into minus 6 plus 1 is equal to half into minus 5. Then A21 is equal to minus 5 by 2. And then A22 is equal to half into minus 3 into, this is second row plus second column, is equal to half into minus 6 plus 2 is equal to half into minus 4. Then 1 2 is 2 2 is 4, then minus 2. A22 is minus 2. And then A23 is equal to half into minus 3 into, A23 is second row plus third column, is equal to half into minus 6 plus 3, and then half is equal to half into minus 3. Then A23 is equal to minus 3 by 2. A23 is minus 3 by 2. And then A24 is equal to, A24 is, and then formula we write minus 3 into, A24 is second row plus fourth column, is equal to half into minus 6 plus 4, and then half into minus 2. And then A24 is equal to 1 2 is 1 2 is, then this is minus 1. A24 is minus 1. Okay. And then A31 is equal to half into, formula is A31 is third row plus first column, is equal to half into minus 3 3 is 9 plus 1 is equal to half into minus 8. And then A31 is equal to 1 2 is 4 2 is 8 minus 4. And then A32 is equal to half into minus 3 into, this is A32 is third row plus second column, is equal to half into minus 9 plus 2 is equal to half into minus 7. Then a 32 is equal to minus 7 by 2. A 32 is equal to minus 7 by 2. And then a 33 is equal to half into minus 3 into third row plus third column is equal to half into minus 3 3s are 9 plus 3 is equal to half into minus 6. Then 1 2s are 2 3s are 6. Then a 33 is equal to minus 3. And then a 34 is equal to half into minus 3 into 34 is a third column plus third row plus fourth column is equal to half into minus 9 plus 4 is equal to half into minus 5. Then a 34 is equal to minus 5 by 2. Hence the required matrix is required matrix is A is equal to, we write A11, A12, A13, A14 value like this, okay. Minus 1, minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2, and then minus 5 by 2, minus 2, minus 3 by 2, and then minus 1, minus 4, minus 7 by 2, and then minus 3 and minus 5 by 2. Okay, thank you.